Hi, my name is Irene and I'll be doing the YLOG 5th grade lesson 6 round large numbers. So for the first question it asks round each number to the nearest million. So we first look at the number and go 1, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, and million. So the 3 is the nearest million, and then we look at the number afterward, and if it's 5 and above we go up, and since it's 8 and it's bigger than 5, we round up, so the number would be 474 million. Moving on, so the next question asks round each number to the nearest billion, and it's basically the same thing as the one on top, but it's in the billions. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 billion, 100 million, and then billion. So the 8, we look at the number afterward. It's 4 and below, so we go down. And then, so the number will be 278 billion. So moving on, it says the next question asks round to the place of the underlined digit. So none of these are actually underlined, so I'll do number 2 and I'll just pick the second digit. So it's 7,215. The 2 is in the hundredth place, and we look at the number afterward. It's smaller than it's 4 and below, so the number would be 7,200. So the next problem is problem solving. An encyclopedia contains 21,873,526 words. How many words is that to the nearest million, to the nearest 10 million? So we look at the number and go on, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So the 1 is the nearest million, and the number afterward is an 8. And since 8 is bigger, is 5 and greater, it's gonna go up. So it'll be 22 million words. And then the question afterward asks for the nearest 10 million. So since the 1 is the million, we look at the next number and it's the 10 million. So we look at the number afterward, it's 1. Since 1 is 4 and below, it's gonna be 20 million words. So it's 22 million words for the nearest million and 20 million words for the nearest 10 million. So moving on, it says round to the nearest million, write the answer in short word form. So the number is 73,823,382. So the 3 is the millionth place, and then we look at the number afterward. It's 5 and up, so it's 8. So the number would be 74 million. So we have to write it out in short word form. So in short word form, it would be 74 million. Moving on, it says round to the nearest billion, write the answer in short word form. So again, it's the same thing as above, but it's to the billion. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and then billion. So the 7 is the millions place. We look at the number afterward. It's an 8. Since 8 is greater than 5, the number would go up. So it would be 28 billion. So we have to write that in short word form. So that would be 28 billion. So that's it. If you have any questions, ask me on Saturday. Okay, bye.